In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmute an email thread. If a conversation suddenly stopped showing up in your inbox, there's a good chance it was muted. Muting in Gmail keeps a thread out of your inbox so it won't pop back up with every new reply. That can be helpful for busy discussions, but when the conversation becomes relevant again, you'll want to unmute it so future replies are easy to spot. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed in. At the top, you'll see the search bar. Click into it and type exactly this: is muted. This special search filter tells Gmail to show you only the conversations that are currently muted. Press enter to run the search and you'll get a list of threads that have been silenced. From that list, click to open the muted conversation you want to bring back to your inbox. You'll be taken into the full conversation view. Now look toward the top right area of the message toolbar, inside Gmail's interface. Find the More menu, represented by 3 vertical dots. Be sure you're clicking the dots within Gmail, not the ones in your browser window. Click the 3 dots to open the menu, and then select Unmute. That's it, your change is applied immediately. Unmuting restores the normal behavior of the thread, which means it will no longer be hidden away from your inbox. Future replies will now appear in your inbox again, so you won't miss any new activity on that conversation. A couple of quick pointers to make this smoother. If you have a lot of muted threads, you can stay on the As Muted Results page and repeat the same process for any other conversations you want to revive. The Is Muted search can also be combined with other keywords to narrow things down. Try adding a sender's name or a word from the subject line to quickly find the right thread. And if you don't see the unmute option right away, double check that you're inside the conversation view and that you're opening the menu with the 3 vertical dots on the Gmail toolbar. To recap, open Gmail, search for Is Muted, press enter, open the muted conversation you want, click the More menu in the top right, and choose Unmute. With that, the thread is back to normal, and any new replies will show up in your inbox where you expect them. Thanks for watching. If this helped you clean up your inbox without missing important messages, you're all set to stay on top of the conversations that matter.